Hey everyone, the forcebolt team is back again with an amazing video to help you know how to hire the best Android developer for your next Android project. We all know about the Android app's popularity. From ordering food online to paying utility bills, there is an app for each of your needs. Many well-known brands like Amazon, Starbucks, Microsoft, Netflix and more companies invest heavily in Android app development. But one question that is still unanswered is what makes the developers of these brilliant apps hired in the first place, and what skills are required to be the best Android developer. So today we will take a look at the 5 essential factors that should be considered while hiring an Android developer. Before discussing the factors, let me first tell you who is an Android developer. An Android developer is someone who is hired to build amazing apps through coding languages and skills. Let's now dive straight into the 5 most important things you need to keep in mind before hiring an Android developer. Factor first, be clear about your requirements while developing an app. It is crucial to determine all the details such as design style, app specifications and technical requirements to give you more clarity on what kind of developer you need for your projects. Factor second, conduct an effective interview. While interviewing, firstly, put your candidates to the proper skill test that will help you evaluate their attitude towards Android application development. Secondly, find out if a candidate is aware of the latest updates in the Android market. This will help you consider a perfect candidate for your requirement profile. Lastly, check the error correction ability of application developers. Ask your candidates to debug a problem within a sample app, or you can ask a few problem-solving questions related to the complete mobile app development process. Factor third, have a close look at the portfolio. Check out the candidate's portfolio to identify the scale of the project they have already accomplished. A developer's portfolio should ideally include details of apps previously built, examples of apps coding, or even screenshots of the created applications. Number of published apps doesn't matter. One thing that matters the most is quality. Moreover, examine the app's functionalities, stability, and performance, which will give you an idea of whether the candidate has the expertise and skills to complete different tasks or not. Factor fourth, evaluate a programmer's communication skills. Communication skills are vital for judging the efficiency and competency of the right Android developer. Because the quality of the final deliverable applications may not be of your liking if a developer doesn't understand the needs and requirements conveyed by you in the first place. Therefore, you need to ensure whether the developer is good enough to understand and convey things. Factor fifth, check out skills and experience. Look out for the one who has expertise in multiple platforms and worked with a handful of the technologies. So hiring someone who has experience in both Android and iOS development platforms will be a great choice. Hiring an Android developer will not be difficult if you consider these factors cautiously. Follow these 5 essential things and they will help you identify and select the ideal candidate for accomplishing your tasks. Are you looking to hire top-notch Android developers who can optimize your app's performance and make the development process more efficient? Contact forcebolt team today, and that would help you build feature-rich, market-fit apps that incorporate the latest front-end and back-end technologies. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or would like to discuss a project with us. If you liked this video, do share and subscribe to our channel.